Hello everyone, this is Miss Iman from the Knowledge Land. Welcome to my channel where creativity is explored through hands-on activities and fun teaching resources. Before I head to my video today, I would like to answer this important question. Why do we teach our children phonics? What's the importance of phonics? Actually, scientific studies have showed that phonics instructions are the most effective way to teach children how to read and how to write. Without those instructions, children may end up with some reading difficulties. And one of the skills that kindergarteners need to know or need to learn is how to segment a word sound by sound. So how to recognize the initial letter sound, the middle sound, and the ending sound. In my last video, I showed you some hands-on activities that I have been trying with my own son to teach him the initial letter sound. If you haven't watched this, make sure to watch it. I will leave a link below in the description box. Today, I will share with you some hands-on activities that I have been trying with my own daughter to teach her how to recognize the ending sound. One of those strategies is what we call snap, clap, punch, because I know that the children learn by actions. Actions grab their attention. So just to emphasize the sound that you can hear in a word, we did this: snap, clap, punch. I will give you an example. For example, to segment the word dog, we go like this: d, a, g, d, a, g. So what's the ending sound you heard? G. Yeah. So let's do another one. For example, the word cat. K, a, t. K, a, t. So what's the ending sound? It's t. Now it's time to show you all the resources and the hands-on activities. Are you ready? Here we go. So here's the activity that I would like to share with you. And this is the very first activity that I practice with my daughter, and it goes with the strategy of snap, clap, punch to find the ending sound. As you see here on this document, the child will read some signs over here, and he will follow the signs to find the ending sound. He will read the picture and the signs with the sound of the letters on the paper. So for example, what's this? This is gum. So let's do the snap, clap, punch to find the ending sound. It goes like this: g, a, g, a, So what's the ending sound? It's Any kind of manipulatives, any kind of letters that you have, you would like to use this activity with magnetic letters, with wooden letters, with some stickers like these stickers over here, it's fine. And I'm providing you with this document with some letters too, so you can use the letters that I'm providing you as long as the child enjoys doing the activity. So let's do one more. So what's this picture? It's dog. So let's do the snap, clap, punch to find the ending sound. It goes like this: d, a, g, d, a, g. So what's the ending sound? It's g. I think you got the idea. And as I said before, why I chose this activity to practice with my daughter, or the first activity that we practiced together to find the ending sound, is because I know that the children learn more with actions. So with these actions, she learned how to concentrate or how to focus on each sound she heard. So as you see here, this is the activity that you will find in the description box below. Please check out the description box to find this document if you're interested with hands-on learning. So here's the second activity that I would like to share with you. In this activity, sometimes I ask her to write down the ending sound because I would like her to practice some writing skills. So sometimes we do it with the letters that we have, or I just ask her to write down the ending sound. So in this also, she has the picture, she has the first beginning sounds, and she needs to end the word with the sound she hears at the end. So for example, this one, let's go and read it. This is bat, bat, t. So what's the ending sound? It's t. Here, top. What's the ending sound? It's p. Let's read the third one. Mud, mud, d. What's the ending sound? It's d. And the last one is when, n. The ending sound is n. So I like to make this like a book, so I can grab it while we are going outside or as a morning activity, so she can review the ending sound skill. The other activity that I would like to share with you is an activity that I found on the internet, and it's really awesome because in this activity the child will match up the pictures with the ending sound on the paper. So for example, I will pull only this group. So for this group we have bus. What's the ending sound? It's s. So far. What's the ending sound? It's r. Rip. What's the ending sound? Is and sit. What's the ending sound? It's t. So in this document you will see two different activities with two different group of consonants, and it's a really nice activity just to reinforce the concept of ending sound. The last activities that I would like to share with you today are clip cards activities. So as you see here, there are two different kind of a clip cards activities. In the first clip card activity, you will find the ending sound, and the child needs to match up the ending sound with the word that has this ending sound. For example, let's go and do this. This is what's the letter here? It's L. What's the sound of L? Oh, so let's find the picture. On here on the other side, this is a jam. No. Wall. Yes. So he needs to clip, the child needs to clip the pictures that match up with the ending sound over here. So this is one kind of activity that you can practice with your child too. In here, in this activity, this is different. This is the opposite. The child will see the picture and he needs to find out the ending sound over here. So let's practice this. What's this? This is a jar. So where is the letter that has r sound? Yeah, it's over here. So the child needs to clip this with the ending sound he hears at the word. So what's this? This is bus. So what's the ending sound? It's s. Yeah. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you get some benefits from this video. Please check out the description box to find all these resources, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in more hands-on learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.